In this video, I'd like to introduce you to tiles inside of MetaStock Zenith. Tiles are a way for you to have windows open that will basically float around and allow you to quickly organize them on different screens so you can access information quickly. You can also group tiles and put them together so you can have different tiles of information across your screen. So this screen that you see in front of you, this tiles manager that you see right here, is basically a way for us to be able to quickly get to any tile very quickly. So what we're going to do is let's go in and first show you how you'd access this window. You do that by going down to the X in your taskbar here, right click and go to tiles. Okay, so now I have the tile manager open here. What you would do when you're opening up a tile is you'd basically type in what information that you're looking for. Okay, so if I were to, for example, if I just wanted a chart, I could type in chart, and it would take me to the app, and it would basically bring me open up a floating tile chart here that I could have floating around. Okay, now let's go ahead and open up another view here. So if I went and I wanted a list of stocks, so let's say I wanted a monitor. I'll open a monitor here. And then I have another list floating here. So let's just bring up my market breadth here that I have. Okay, so I have my market breadth list here. And now what I want to do is I want to bring in news. And you can see these windows just kind of each float by themselves. So I could put them on different monitors. I could have my this over on another screen, or I could have the chart over on another screen. It just kind of floats around. But let's say I wanted news as well here. Okay, so I've got news. Now, because these are all different, I can resize them to bring them together. And if I want to move them together, what I have to do is actually show that I want to move them together. So I can take them here, and if I push it against this, you'll see this blue bar up here. That means that I'm pushing them together and I want them to move together. So if I bring this one over, you'll see that blue bar, and now you'll see they all move together. Okay, so I can kind of have this set up however I want to. Then I can link these together if I wanted. So if I click link, I could say broadcast this over to news, and click up here again and go broadcast to chart. You go to chart and then which RIC it is. And then as I click down, you'll see it will update and give me the most relevant chart based off of what I am clicking on. Okay, so it's very easy to just kind of get around that information and pull it together. So this is just a quick way to group information together or have it float separately outside of what a normal window may be. As an example, the browser, if you've watched the browser window, where that's more of a full screen option, this is where you can have little groups kind of floating around and set up specifically to view in the way that you want to view it. So that's a quick introduction to tiles and what you can do with tiles. Keep watching the instructional videos for how to learn how to do more, but thanks for watching and successful trading.